What if I told you that you don't need to go viral in order to make $1,500 or more every month from your content? In today's video, I want to show you how content creation can completely change your life, like it did mine as well as my clients. And by the end of this video, you will also get access to my free YouTube business blueprint that shows you the step-by-step process that you can follow to take your content creation and turn it into a full-time income. Now, before I get into the actual steps, I first want to talk about the big shift that you need to make in your mind. So when you hear the words content creator, you're probably thinking of someone like Mr. Beast, who creates videos that get millions of views so that he gets brand sponsorships, do affiliate marketing, he gets paid by AdSense and all of that, right? But to be honest with you, that model is super hard to attain. It can be exhausting to try to post viral videos all the time. And honestly, it can take away your passion and make you want to quit after a while. And I promise you, it's going to be harder to do that and it's going to take longer. Now, take that model versus the model that I'll be talking about today, which is content entrepreneurship. Now, essentially what content entrepreneurship means is you're using your content to build an actual business where you get to sell your own digital offers. Now, when I say digital offers, I'm talking about digital products, I'm talking about coaching, I'm talking about consulting, those kinds of offers. By following the content entrepreneurship model, this is a lot more sustainable because you don't have to focus on just posting viral videos all the time, even though some of your videos will go viral. Plus, you can make money a lot quicker. In fact, I started making money from my channel within a couple of months. Why? Because I sold my own coaching services as well as digital products. And so hopefully this has made you excited. So let's go ahead and jump into the steps that you can follow to make $1,500 or more with your content. So step one is choosing a profitable niche. Now, I know you've probably heard a gazillion times that you should choose a niche, but I'm telling you that it is super important for you to not only choose any niche, but a profitable niche. Now, profitable niches usually come down to one thing. You need to be able to solve a specific problem that someone else is experiencing. Because the truth is that if you can solve someone else's problem, they'll be willing to pay you for the solution. The good news is that you do not have to be an expert in order to help someone solve one of their problems. You can think of it this way. If you are someone who is really great at your fitness, you are healthy, you were able to lose a significant amount of weight, that is something that you could help someone who is overweight to achieve, right? You could help them lose that weight. On the other hand, if you are a single parent who is great at budgeting and you always manage to, have enough money at the end of the month, that is something that you could teach other single parents. Or maybe you are someone who is just completely in love with your spouse. And so you could teach other married couples who are maybe not as happy in their marriage what you do to keep the spark alive. What your niche comes down to is your expertise, something that you yourself have achieved and that you can help someone else achieve as well. Now moving on to the second step, which is to create your freebie. Now, before you even jump into creating content, I want you to first and foremost think of something that is called a freebie, or also in other instances called a lead magnet. This is a free guide, a free checklist, a free PDF, something that you're giving away for free in exchange for your viewers or your audience's email addresses. Now, the reason I want you to start thinking of this before you even start creating content is your content will be used to get people to download this free thing so that they can become part of your email list. Because let's face it, while YouTube and other content platforms like Instagram and Facebook and all of those platforms are great, they aren't yours. You do not own them. And so they are essentially borrowed real estate. Let's say one day YouTube decides that they don't want my channel on here anymore. I hope that never happens. But let's say they decide that. At least then I was able to get people from my YouTube channel onto my email list, which is mine. My email list is my property. And so by having my email list, I will have people to sell to at a later stage once I have digital products or coaching to offer. Now, when it comes to creating your freebie, you need to make sure that it is hyper valuable to your audience. So it's something that can really help them have a quick win. Now, to give you an example of this is one of my freebies, and it's called the 1 to 10 Content Repurposing Guide, which teaches people how to take one YouTube video or one long form piece of content and turn it into 10 or more other pieces of content for their social media, their emails, and so on. And so essentially, this guide really helps people save a lot of time on content creation every week. Now, as you can see, that's super valuable, right? Now, by the way, if you want that guide, I'm linking it in the description below so that you can also learn how to repurpose your content. All right, now after you have your freebie, it is time to start creating super valuable content. As I mentioned earlier, you do not need viral content in order to run your content business. Instead, you want to focus on posting content that is truly valuable to your audience and that attracts the right people. So you want content to answer specific questions that they may have, to help them solve their pain points, and to make them want to download your freebie from the previous step. Now, of course, this doesn't mean that your content won't go viral, because some of your content will. If you look on my channel, for example, I have videos here ranging from a couple of hundreds of views to several thousands of views. One of my videos reaching 27,000 views. So it truly is possible for your content to go viral, even if you are focusing on specific pain points of your audience. But the point really isn't to get as many people as possible to watch your videos or, read your content. Instead, it's to get the people who will be willing to pay you once you launch your offer or your coaching. And that brings me to the next step, which is to build your digital product funnel. Now, while it's great to get people to your freebie and onto your email list with your content, you can't just stop there, because that's not going to make you any money, right? Instead, you need to have something to actually sell to these people. And this is where you can go ahead and create your own digital products like a mini course, an ebook, workshop, etc. Or you could offer coaching. I am personally able to make $1,500 every single month from my channel by offering coaching and selling my own digital products. And my client Lisa was able to make over $2,200 in a single month by selling digital products as well. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I am going to give you access to my YouTube business blueprint later on. And inside that guide, I do talk about the different digital products that you can create, as well as where I actually host my own digital products. And so stay tuned. I'm going to share it just now. Now, after you have your digital office set up, I then want you to repurpose your content for more traffic. Now, we all know that the more people who actually see your offer, the more sales you're going to make, and so the more profit you'll make, which hopefully can help you exit your 9-to-5 eventually. For you to get more traffic, you are going to need either more content or ads or both. Now, luckily, there is an easy way to get more content or to create more content without having to start every single post from scratch. And so that's something I call content repurposing, where you take one YouTube video or blog post, so your long form piece of content, and you turn it into multiple pieces of content for your other marketing platforms like social media, email, Pinterest, you name it. If you follow a proper content repurposing framework, you could realistically create your entire week's worth of content in just 3 to 4 hours. That includes your YouTube videos, that includes your emails, that includes your social posts, and you could even squeeze a blog post in there. Now, if you want to learn these steps in more detail, including what types of digital products you can create, as well as the exact platform that I use to host my emails as well as my digital products, then I have created the free YouTube business blueprint that you can download in the description below. Not only does it show you the host that I use, the different digital products that you can create, but it also shows you how you can pick a profitable niche that works for you. Now, speaking of choosing a profitable niche, let me know in the comments below what niche you're considering for your content business. Maybe I could give you a few pointers here and there to help you figure out what niche is perfect for you. But if you're impatient like I am, you can also go ahead and watch this video next, where I explain how you can find the most profitable niche that suits your skills and your passions. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.